Hey y'all, welcome to the vlog. So I have so much to catch y'all up on. First of all, we had a new angle. How y'all like this angle? I like it because the other one y'all was just too much in my chin and I was looking bigger than I am. No, we are not. No, we're not gonna do that. So yeah, I've had a lot going on this past weekend, y'all. My best friend Ferg came in town for the weekend. She lives in Atlanta. So we had fun. We went to a gender reveal. I went now with some of my homegirls. I met my little cousin. He's so adorable. So I'm gonna insert some clips and then we're gonna get into today. Welcome to the vlog. Y'all, I had so much fun this weekend. I finally did my hair, which as you can see from the previous clip, I ended up cutting, which I loved even more after I did that. But when I finally did my hair, I was feeling myself. So I ended up at my homegirl house. She threw me on some lashes and then we ended up going out. And I just had on a cute little casual little outfit and she got all dolled up because, come on. Yeah, you got to be pretty to sit with us. So we ended up at the Trap. If you're from Albany, you know this is one of the most popular spots in the city. We didn't stay long because I really don't go out like that. Got up early in the morning the next morning to meet my best friend because this is the life. But as you can see from the look on my face, this workout really kicked my behind. She is a real gym girl. I'm just a beginner. So she had me in there doing things like, come on. Yeah, you can tell. But we got through it. Ended up going to our homegirl gender reveal and she's having a boy. She was so excited, and as I said, pretty girls only. Look at us. Yeah. Then I finally met my little cousin. He's so cute. Hi, Josiah. Your cousin feeding you? Okay, now let's get back into today. They got some matcha powder back here. Got some gummies. These are prebiotic gummies, but I like pre and pro. These PMS Immune. This is a good brand too. I have the ashwagandha gummies. But these shelves are empty. Empty. There's no matcha powder in sight. So I'm gonna go to Ross and see if I can find it in there. My children love these noodles right here, but we're not getting them today. Slim Teas, Highleys. I've tried this one. It's good. But it wasn't this flavor. I had the blackberry. This is acai berry. Pineapple. All of this stuff and no matcha. So hopefully they have it in Raw. I found this cute dress. I got it in a small and a medium, so I'm gonna try both of them on. This is so cute. Long. Oh, we had to smell some candles. This one smells really good. Bergamot, sandalwood. And everybody be sleeping on Ross. Oh, okay.
That was how they were.
Oh, okay.
I looked there.
The things we do for our children, because it is 85 degrees outside and it is so hot. But my baby wanted to come out here and play, and let me tell y'all something. I'm not even exaggerating. There's literally one other child out here. So he has somebody to play with. So I was hoping it wouldn't be nobody out here. So I could say, oh, let's just go home and we'll come back another day. Please. He done found him a little friend. And they're over there having a blast. But when I say he got 30 minutes, you know you have 30 minutes. 30 minutes. So hi. How y'all doing? Stay right here because it's dirty right there. Mm-hmm. You want to go swim?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Boy, made it back to the house, y'all, and the sun has drained me. I'm tired. But I have a birthday dinner to go to, and I have to be there at 8. It's in Sylvester, which is 30 minutes away. So I have to leave here at like 7:30 and it's 6:15. So I got some matcha out of Ross. So we're about to make some of this real quick. And hopefully it'll give me a little boost of energy because I'm tired. So yeah, let's make this. First, you're gonna get some milk. I'm just gonna make a little bit. Warm this up. Blender broke, but I have this shaker cup. So I don't even know how much powder I'm supposed to add. Ooh. It says half a teaspoon per serving. So I'm just gonna take a tablespoon. And this is how much I'm gonna add. I don't know what that is, but that's what I'm putting in there. And I have my hot milk. Then we're gonna add, this is some 0 calorie, 0 sugar sweetener. This has got the vanilla flavor. Oh, it smells good. We're just gonna do a doop, doop, doop. Because it said 1 tablespoon. Doop. All right. Put this in here and shake it up. Ah! Close it tight. Let's try it again. Okay. I'll be back. Oh, it looks okay. It looks like it's Let me see. Let me see. Oh. This is good. I got this from Ross. This was $4.99. They both were $4.99. But I'm so glad I got 2 of them. And that was the perfect amount of matcha because it's not so strong. I could have added a little bit more vanilla. I could have added a little bit more, but it's good. So let me go ahead and get ready because it's 6 minutes to fed. My lighting sucks. But it's just this little 2-piece set. And these heels I just got out of Ross today. My friends say they're ugly, but I like them. Yeah, nothing too major. Just, that's it. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to walk out the door.